Couple other things we're watching. I'm watching the um, copper versus the S&P 500. And let's go to the weekly chart to see that about right. Here's the weekly chart. And you see copper is now breaking out on a relative basis versus the S&P 500. I think that's a big deal. And when we look at gold futures versus S&P futures, we see gold, which has already had an amazing run, back here too, and potentially breaking out and going higher relative to the S&P futures. Okay, so we have two commodities now showing up really good. Now let's look at OIH versus SPX. I'm using ETFs here, and you can see OIH. Now they don't look exactly the same, but you can see the decline, the bottom, a bottom here, right? Came back. Here's around. Here's a higher low, and maybe we're just coming back up to here. But that's a pretty good move if we think that we're heading higher from here, right? That's a really good move, and this is OIH versus S&P. So the question is OIH and or its constituents going to outperform versus the S&P? And I think that there's a very good chance that it could.